Hey, I'm Zainab. Welcome back to Mint Condition. So Ripple is not only preparing XRP for banks and payment companies, guys. It is now positioning the XRP Ledger for a much stranger economy, one where artificial intelligence agents can hold wallets, make decisions, and pay each other without a human approving every transaction. But before we get into this, it is not a financial advice, guys. Nothing in this video is. It's just for educational and entertainment purposes. So definitely, since crypto is very volatile, do your own research before making any investment decisions. So let's get back to it. Most conversations about artificial intelligence focus on chatbots, images, and automation, as you know, but the next phase of AI may require something much more practical, which is money. Imagine an AI travel agent that can compare flights and purchase the best ticket, an AI software engine that pays for computing power by the second, or a group of autonomous systems that exchange data, purchase services, and settle bills with each other. And traditional payment systems were designed around humans, bank accounts, and businesses. AI agents may need payments that are instant, programmable, inexpensive, and also available around the clock. And that is where blockchain networks are trying to enter the picture here. Ripple introduced an XRP Ledger AI starter kit intended to make it easier for developers to connect AI applications to the XRP Ledger. And the idea is to give AI agents access to blockchain functionality such as creating wallets, checking balances, and executing transactions. This does not mean millions of autonomous AI agents are already purchasing services with XRP. We are still early here, but it shows us which future Ripple and the XRP Ledger ecosystem are preparing for. And the timing matters because competition is becoming very intense here. Stablecoins are emerging as a natural payment method for AI agents because they maintain a relatively stable dollar value. And other blockchain networks are also developing machine-to-machine payment tools. And that means XRP cannot rely on speed alone. The networks needs developers, useful applications, liquidity, and also a clear reason for AI systems to choose XRPL instead of Ethereum, Solana, or any other payment rail. And this brings us back to regulation here. An AI agent making financial decisions creates difficult legal questions. So, who's responsible if the agent sends money to the wrong address? Who performs identity verification? Can an autonomous wallet comply with sanctions and anti-money laundering rules? And is the developer, the user, or the company operating the agent legally responsible for its actions? Those questions are not fully solved here, but regulated infrastructure could become a competitive advantage. Ripple has spent years positioning itself around institutional compliance. RUSD gives the ecosystem a dollar-denominated settlement asset, while XRP may potentially serve as a bridge or liquidity asset in certain transactions. And that could create a two-asset model. Stablecoins handle payments that need predictable dollar value. XRP handles liquidity or movement between different assets and markets. But this is still the thesis, not a guaranteed outcome. Nothing is. The most important metric will not be the number of AI announcements here. It will be the number of real transactions, active applications as well, and fees generated by AI-related activity on the XRP Ledger. Investors should ask whether developers are actually adopting the tools here, whether AI agents are using XRP or mostly using RLUSD, and whether the activity represents real economic demand rather than automated transactions created mainly to demonstrate the technology. The opportunity is enormous, but so is the hype here. AI payments could become one of the largest new markets in digital assets, or the phrase AI payments could become another label projects attached to ordinary blockchain tools. And the winners will be the networks that move beyond the demo stage. So here's today's question for you. Do you believe AI agents will become a major source of blockchain transaction volume, or is the market getting ahead of itself again? Let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching here. I will see you in the next video.